Well, looking at a rerun weather-wise today, as temperatures will be similar to yesterday. In the low 40s, a slight chance of some scattered flurries. Let's take a look right now at our weather headlines. We've already seen a few flurries this morning. Actually, a report from North Scituate, also a report from Pawtucket. Jim coming in with that report. Now, as we move towards the middle of the week, we're still looking at the potential of a midweek storm. However, it looks like that will stay to our south. So at this point, it's a near miss, but worth watching. Could be some coastal impacts, even if the center of the storm doesn't exactly get us. It could still push water towards our shores. And then the end of the week, looking at a decent warm-up on the way. More on that coming up in just a few minutes. As we look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12, again, a few specks of blue indicating a few stray snowflakes. Slightly steadier snow showers here in coastal Connecticut. These will continue to push down to the south, so a lot of the activity ends up missing us today, as has been the theme for the past couple days. A little bit of sun trying to peek out right now, but overall the clouds are winning out, and expect that theme to continue today with occasional peaks of blue sky, but on average mostly cloudy. Temperature in Providence is 33. Smithfield, you're at 30 degrees. Newport 33, and New Bedford at 34. Breezes in New Bedford out of the northwest at 6 miles an hour. Wind chill at 29. And those winds will continue between about 5 and 12 miles an hour today. Satellite picture showing another wave of energy on the way. This one coming in from northern New England. So here's that blip I just showed you on the radar. Here is a second band right now, primarily to the north of the Mass Pike. The sinks down to the south later on this afternoon. I will detail the precipitation chances coming up with a special graph at the conclusion of the 7-day futurecast. In the meantime, how about high temperatures today? Very similar to yesterday. 42 on the east side, 42 in Rumford. North Providence, you get up to 42 degrees with more clouds and sunshine. Across the West Bay, places like Cranston, Warwick, Garden City, 42 for a high temperature, perhaps a smidge warmer in Barrington, Bristol with a high of 43. South Shore temperatures in the low 40s today with breezes out of the north at around 5 to 10 miles an hour. In northern Rhode Island, could be a few spots would stay stuck in the upper 30s today for high temperatures. 39 Burville. Foster, you're at 39, and Johnston gets up to 41 degrees. And in eastern Massachusetts, temperatures also in the low 40s. 41 in Taunton, 41 in Seekonk. Middletown down through Little Compton get up to around 43. Here's that 7-day futurecast. Let's detail the precipitation chances as promised. We go hour by hour, and notice it's not that big a chance, about a 20% chance throughout the late morning, early afternoon. Best chance would be around 3 o'clock as that wave of energy starts to push on through, and then we slowly drop the chances throughout the evening. Now, obviously, if you've already seen a flurry this morning, you can move that percentage up to 100. But the bottom line is this: I'm not expecting much in the way of accumulation or any travel issues today. Now, Wednesday, in terms of travel issues, locally we may not see many, but we could see some problems down in the mid-Atlantic as it looks like the storm stays just to our south. So if you have flight plans or driving plans down towards the Washington, D.C. area, that's something you need to watch carefully, as a significant storm could develop down in that part of the country. We could still see some large seas because, remember, it doesn't take a direct hit to get coastal flooding, at least the potential of coastal flooding around here. So that's something we'll watch closely, and we'll let you know if the track of that storm changes and moves closer to us. By the end of the week, it looks like a warm-up, upper 40s with partly cloudy skies. Don't forget about WPRI.com. You can always go there for your latest weather updates.